Hi, what's up? Welcome to AkiSoft YouTube channel. I'm Kiedra. Today I will show you how to create this subtle Valentine's Day look. If you're new to our channel, please like, subscribe, and click on the notifications bell to get updates on new videos. All right, let's begin. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Zoria AR Anti-Redness Calming Cream. And I'm just going to take a little bit like that and just apply it all over my face. It's a good moisturizer and it's also good for the inflammation and redness on the skin. Now I'm going to take the Zoria Under Eye Serum and just going to apply a little bit underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in color Ebony, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with this angled eyebrow brush. Now I'm going to take the Sephora concealer and I'm just going to conceal my brow to make sure it's neat and to clean them up. Now I'm just going to take a clean eyeshadow brush and just blend it out, so that way it don't have that harsh conceal lines on my brows and my forehead. Now I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer and I'm just going to apply this to my face because this is going to be the base for my foundation when it's time to apply it. Now I'm going to take the concealer and I'm just going to apply it to my lids, and I'm going to use this as a primer for my eyeshadow. I'm going to take the Sacha powder and I'm going to set that concealer so that way my eyelids don't get oily and my eyeshadow don't crease throughout the day. Now I'm going to go in with the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this shade of pink and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. Making sure to blend it really good so that way it don't look too harsh and everything looks seamless at the end. Now I'm going to take this shade in my Modern Renaissance palette in Anastasia Beverly, and I'm just going to apply that to the lid. Now I'm going to take this shade of orange back in my Celestial Thunder palette and just put that on the outside to kind of make it look more neater and more blendable, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take this Orchard Red in that same Modern Renaissance palette and just apply that on top of the lid. I want the red to pop a little bit, but also want to keep that nice pink tint as well. Now I'm going to take my mascara, any mascara will do, and I'm just going to take this and prime my lashes and get them ready for my eyelashes application. Now I'm going to take these lashes I got from GLAM Cosmetics, they're called Barty, and I'm going to apply those to my lash line. Now I'm going to take my Born This Way foundation in color Butter Pecan and I'm just going to apply that all over my face to make sure I cover any blemishes, discolorations, and so that way my makeup looks smooth. Now I'm going to add that Sephora concealer and just put that underneath my eye, on my forehead, and on my chin as well. And just blend that in with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to take that Sacha powder and I'm going to set underneath my eyes. I'm also going to set my forehead as well as my chin because those are the places where I get really oily the most. And now I'm just going to take my milk powder and just set the rest of my face. Now I'm going to take the Sephora bronzer and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, forehead, and the bottom of my jawline. Now I'm going to take this blush and I'm just going to apply it to my cheeks. Now I'm going to take this brown eyeliner and I'm just going to apply it to my lower lash line. I'm also going to take that same shade of pink in that Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette and apply it underneath my lower lash line as well. And I'm going to go back into my Modern Renaissance palette and take that brown And I'm just going to apply it underneath my lash line as well to give it that really nice dramatic pop. Now I'm going to take a shimmery color from that Mono Renaissance and just go underneath my brow bone and as well as the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take the Glow Kit palette by Anastasia and I'm just going to apply a color to my cheeks, nose, as well as my cupid bow above my lips. Now I'm going to take this nice bold color and apply that to my lips. I'm also going to take this shade and just apply it to the middle of my lower lip and just blend that in. That's it. That's how I created this look. Make sure you guys leave a comment and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notifications bell for updates on new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.